To also darken an image in CorelDRAW is done this way. For example, I have this image. This is a light jalabia, a Muslim attire, so a male attire. So this I've make it darker. After, can you see it? So this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. Let's duplicate it. Click on it, then move it with your hold control and drop it to your right click. So this is how it is. We'll come to effect menu, adjust, then we'll come to gamma. Can you see it here? This is to darken. So moving it to the left hand side, this threshold. If you move it to the left hand side, it will become dark. The more you take it to the left hand side, the more darker it will be. Can you see it? So this is how it's done. See, it will become, so depending on how you want it to be. I think this is dark a bit. So this is how it's done in CorelDRAW. Don't forget to watch more of these videos and hit the subscribe button. You're welcome.